How to search for a chat on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Play Store on your phone. Just you have to install that app from your Android Play Store. Now open the Messenger app in your phone. You can see the desktop of Messenger. Now I am going to know that how to search for a particular chat on Facebook Messenger. You can see here I have a one chat on Facebook Messenger, and you will here see here like I am searching any of the chat. I have multiple chats. Click, I just have to write the name of the person and chat of person appear like this. In this way, before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see when you have the chat of that person, that will be seen as a connected. If you are unable to find the chat of the person, it means that person haven't messaged you or haven't add on your chat box. Thank you so much. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.